Hey Drop Tech fans, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a super exciting early look at the upcoming Google Pixel 10 Pro, and it's coming straight from a leaked prototype. Big thanks to Mystic Leaks for sharing these fresh images, which originally came from a Chinese site called Cool App. What we're seeing here is likely a DVT 1.0 model, which basically means this is one of the very first working prototypes Google is currently testing out. From the screenshots, we can see it's running Android 16, not the typical TPR1 update we usually see in test builds. It's still rocking the pre-Material U3 expressive UI inside the Settings app, which is kind of a familiar look at this point. Now, when it comes to design, there are a few interesting changes. At the bottom, the USB-C port now has perfectly matching cutouts on both sides, probably one for the speaker and the other for the mic, just like previous models. But one big difference is the SIM card tray. It's been moved up to the top left side of the phone, replacing where the antenna cutout used to be. It even looks slightly wider than before. Looking at the camera setup, the camera bar is still keeping the classic shape, but now the glass stretches even closer to the edges. There's just a thin metal frame around it now. Also, the camera bump seems a bit thicker compared to last year's model. On the tech side, this prototype gives us a peek at some pretty solid specs. The Pixel 10 Pro is codenamed Blazer, and it's packing 16 GB of RAM along with 256 GB of internal storage. Under the hood, it's running the new Tensor G5 chip. The CPU setup is interesting too. 2 Cortex-A 520 cores, 3 Cortex-A 725 cores, 2 more Cortex-A 725 cores, and 1 Cortex-X4 Prime core. That's a total of 8 cores with some serious power. Now, the app shows the chip as being built on a 5nm process, but most experts believe the Tensor G5 will actually be using a more advanced 3nm process, so that could just be an error from the app's data. Another detail worth noting is the modem listed as G540i, which hints at a Samsung Exynos modem, even though earlier rumors had pointed toward MediaTek. But that's not all, there's more. Over the weekend, the Pixel 10 Pro, or maybe even the Pro XL, was caught on camera at a beach in Vancouver, Canada. And this wasn't some low-quality spy shot either. It looked like Google was filming a promo ad right there, and someone even managed to get a sneak peek at the storyboard for it. So yeah, this thing is already out in the real world being tested and promoted. Now, one of the most exciting features coming with the Pixel 10 is a brand new AI camera tool called Google AdMma. This feature lets you add multiple people into a photo, even if they weren't in the original shot. Imagine being able to insert yourself into a group picture later on, just like magic. It's going to be a game changer for events, family gatherings, or group selfies where the person behind the camera always gets left out. The design itself is looking clean too. The Pixel 10 keeps that horizontal camera bar vibe we've seen before, but now it features a sleek black oval-shaped camera module with a slightly larger oval around it that holds the LED flash. It's a nice evolution of the Pixel's signature look, still unique but freshened up. Color-wise, the standard Pixel 10 will come in Obsidian, which is black, Blue Iris, a modern purple, and Limoncello, a soft yellow. The Pro and Pro XL versions will offer Obsidian, green, sterling gray, and porcelain, a classy white. That blue iris color especially stands out in the leaked images. It looks really stylish. Now the big question: when is it coming? Typically, Google releases Pixel phones in October, but last year's Pixel 9 came out early in mid-August. If that pattern continues, the Pixel 10 series could drop around August 2025, which is just about 3 months away. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your phone, it might be worth holding off a little longer for this one. Are you as hyped for the Pixel 10 as we are? Let us know what you think about all these new changes. If you're excited, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming tech drops. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We always love reading what you all think. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.